With a world of information at their fingertips, students must be able to evaluate various sources in order to make an argument. DBQuest offers the chance to practice this through structured, scaffolded, web-based activities that are vetted and presented with guided instruction materials. Activities that engage students in deep inquiry and written expression. We want students to develop into global citizens, which requires the ability to sort through information and engage with multiple perspectives. This is especially important within civic discourse, where it's all too easy to lean into polarized ideas and opinions. Engaging with primary sources helps students avoid this. Through unfiltered first-person accounts, students are able to build an emotional connection with those who came before them. Primary sources, like works of art, can spark imagination. Life experiences with potentially opposing perspectives can help learners understand what happened in a historical context and why. DBQuests are designed to help students become more engaged and confident in their ability to select evidence and summarize different points of view. DBQuests are carefully vetted, curated, scaffolded primary source sets. They're free to use and easily accessible. You can integrate them seamlessly alongside your existing lessons. There are two modes, perfect for the varied learners in your classroom. Guided mode is for students who require more practice with primary source analysis. This mode supports those students with additional scaffolding, including pre-selected evidence options and just-in-time feedback. Freeform mode allows students more creative engagement with the primary sources. This is best for students with greater experience with primary source analysis.
Well, I chose Jack. I don't know what anybody else chose, but I love the dialogue he gave me, how he gave me the rundown of what I was about to learn about or watch a video about or look at an image about. And then from there, I had a little bit of information going in, and then I got more information once I actually read and watched the videos.
And having mastered a document through DBQuest, students feel confident in applying evidence-based reasoning to other sources and subjects across the curriculum. They will also start to apply the skills they've learned to their day-to-day interactions with media.
DBQuest helps students become more independent and own their learning process. I also think that the quality of the documents and how they're put together provides ample opportunity for students to think analytically.
Teachers can actively monitor students' progress toward completing a DBQuest. Reports are available through your free iCivics teacher account. Students can see a PDF of their work as well, and there's plenty of room for teachers to personalize a lesson around DBQuest. iCivics provides a detailed facilitation guide, as well as supplementary printed materials. When students open DBQuest, they can choose to start a new session or continue where they left off. They can revisit work on an individual document, building towards mastery. Whether you're a social studies teacher looking for fun ways to support literacy skills, or an ELA teacher interested in digital writing tools, DBQuest is for you. The global citizens of tomorrow are in our classrooms right now. Help them develop 21st century skills by introducing them to DBQuest today. Enhance the DBQuest experience by using the support materials to facilitate discussions about the documents.